We're going to switch gears a little bit. We've had some great performances so far. Now we're going to go over to Isabel, who's one of our amazing RGU volunteers, and she's going to teach you guys how to make a mini water cycle.
Hello there, my name's Isabel Toledo, and I'll be guiding you through the making a mini water cycle activity. So this is something you can follow along at home. For this activity, we'll use a medium-sized sandwich bag. This mini Ziploc will do. A bunch of markers. Don't know if you need that many colors, but never enough. We will use them to create a closed water system that's simulating the closed system that we have on Earth. And we can watch it, where we can add water and watch it evaporate and condense, just like our clouds and rainfall. So this represents a model of the water cycle that drives all life all over Earth and will help you understand how the water moves in a cycle through the environment with the power of the sun. So first, let's take our sandwich bag and place it on a surface like a table, but I'll have a clipboard here. We're going to draw the basic water cycle on the sandwich bag. So part of the water cycle involves first starting with the sea and lakes and rivers that we find everywhere. And then our trees and grasses and all vegetation that take up that water and use that water to grow. So through the power of the sun will heat up the water molecules. Whoops, wrong color. And in a process called evaporation. And so the sun will heat up the water, and that creates clouds. So in the clouds, the water, after enough water molecules have evaporated and condensed into clouds, this condensed water will fall down back to Earth as precipitation, which is rain. And this precipitation will go back into the rivers and can be used by the trees and all life forms on Earth. So in this baggie, we can put about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of water. The amount doesn't really matter. And we'll try to seal as much air into the bag as we can. It'll look something like this. Hopefully you can get a little poofier than mine. And we'll put this in the sun upright so that the sun energy can heat up the water in there. So after several hours, it should look something like this. And you can see the water below. And you can see that the water is a bit warmer now because I've put in the sun for several hours. And it has condensed. I don't know if you can see at the top. It has formed little droplets everywhere that then, here in the back, you can, oh, there you go. That will then condense and become heavy enough and fall back down as precipitation. So in this mini water cycle, you can see how the water all around the Earth is connected through our rivers and clouds, and every single drop of water on Earth is part of this closed water system. So it's just as important to take care of our rainfall as it is to take care of our rivers and sea life and stuff like that. So thank you so much and hope you enjoyed it.